I just take the cap off.
There's a little black lever. Move the black lever. It's a safety lever.
Yep. And then I'm gonna.
And then read the label. Drain or fill?
Yep. So I'm gonna drain.
Okay. Push it up. You can hear it. And listen for it to change sounds. Okay, it would help if you open up the generator valve. Starboard. There you go. Okay, you heard it change now. See it coming up?
Yep.
So we're going to take out exactly 1 gallon. It actually wants to take out a tiny bit more than 1 gallon, but we can't squeeze it into that jug. So make sure you turn that valve, that electrical switch off before it overflows. Okay, getting close. Beautiful, no mess. That's a sweet machine.